When India got independence in 1947, it was an era which started with a lot of uncertainty about what lay ahead. During these testing times of a newly independent country, a young, vibrant visionary dreamt of contributing to the progress of a growing nation. It was none other than Shri Magan Lal Ambavibhai Patel, establishing MACO in 1968 at Kolkata. In the early days of business, the company was supplying indigenous industrial products in and around Kolkata. In the 1980s, Subhash and Nagesh, the sons of Shri Magan Lal Ambavibhai Patel, joined the company to steer MACO towards a prosperous and glorious future, turning their father's vision into reality with major focus on steel industry. In the 90s, MACO for the first time started collaborating with foreign manufacturers to bring cutting-edge technologies to empower the Indian steel industry and bring it at par with the world. But soon, MACO with its innovative and dynamic approach diversified its operations in other core sectors like oil and gas, mining, railway, power, access equipment, drives and transmission, machine tools and projects. These strategic business units representing the core sectors are headed by industry experts and supported by sales and service team. Steel. MACO is supplying various equipment like measuring gauges for rolling mills, bricketing press, welders, marking machines, rolls for rolling mill, scarfing machine and steel shocks to ensure quality production in steel plants. MACO's group company Desmet also plays a critical role in the production of quality steel by providing solutions for hot metal desulfurization. MACO provides safety for not only the high-value equipments in the mines, but also the precious lives, maintaining 1200 plus installations of automatic fire suppression systems on earth-moving equipment and providing refuge chambers for underground mines. MACO provides a wide range of critical equipment for the diesel and electric locomotives. Today, with its experienced engineering team, MACO is also providing track maintenance machines and rail welding services. In the oil and gas industry, MACO provides a wide range of products and services like onshore rigs, mud pumps, clutch and brakes, dampeners and various accessories. We provide services for chartered hiring workover rigs and renting of advanced composite mats. Drives and transmission. Serving several industries with a single focus to ensure customers' production efficiency and smooth running of plant. Our product offerings are rotatory union, pneumatic clutches and brakes, barrel couplings, cardan shaft, gearbox, shock absorbers and hydraulic buffers. We were first to introduce aerial work platforms in India, manufactured by GENIE USA to ensure safety and efficiency at workplace across all industries. Today we have also forayed into renting of these equipment with service team in yards across the country. MACO and with its EPC company Sunag Engineering has successfully executed various turnkey projects across industries in the last decade. Today, MACO along with its 30+ overseas partners has been remarkably successful in garnering recognition as one of the leaders providing best-in-class engineering equipment, project management, installation, commissioning and after-sales services, all with a clear focus on building New India. Along with this journey, MACO has also entered into joint ventures with 4 foreign companies: Copan, IMS, Sibre, Metalock, In the last 50 years, MACO has undergone a complete transformation from being a trading company to now being an end-to-end solution provider with over 500 employees and with a footprint in 4 countries based on its 3 core values: integrity, customer satisfaction, building relationship. Our sustained efforts helped us witness an exponential growth in our clientele. This includes some of the world leaders in the industry. It is because of these valued customers and their faith in our work, MACO has earned many awards and accolades, strengthening our position in the world market. Since its inception, MACO has always taken initiatives towards corporate social responsibilities. MACO